Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in my Polo. Just got to change the headlight bulbs. Blue one this morning, so it's quick and simple. Let's go and do it. Okay, so this is my little Polo. Most cars that I've changed headlight bulbs and things on before, you've had to do them from the inside. But on this MK5 Polo, you actually need to undo these two torque screws, the little, I don't know if you can see on there, the little star-shaped ones. So hang on, turn it around that way. Just undo that second one and this fourth one, and then the whole headlight will just pop out. Okay, so I've just taken the screws out. There's the two there. Just need to pull the plug off. And now the whole headlight should, see it one-handed, don't want to drop it while I'm holding the camera, the whole thing will come out in one go. Okay, so there's the headlight just on the seat there. So if I just lay that down into the footwell, this one, the smaller ones for the side lights, big ones for the headlights. So just peel this cover off, and inside here you can see the wire connecting to the bulb just here. So you just want to give that little twist and pull out, and there's your bulb. All you need to do is just pull the bulb off and push the new one in. Right, this is in quite tight, so I've just put a little bit of tape around the top of the bulb so I can give it a bit of a pull, because you're not really meant to be touching the actual glass of the bulb. So I've just put a bit of tape around it so I can actually just pull it out. You don't need to twist it or anything. There's the two terminals there with the two pins on the bulb. They just pull straight out. So just push the new one in. Again, don't touch the glass on the new bulbs, wherever I've put the new bulbs, I can't remember. But yeah, obviously you don't want to put any tape around the new ones. I only put tape around this one because it's an old one, just so I can pull it out. But the new ones would be easier to push in, or wear some gloves. Push the new one in, put it all back together, simple. And there you have it, nice new headlight bulb.